So let me continue. So what we are doing here is just we are trying to multiply the reward pi reward. So out of that is not 9. I don't know. So I passed the first one, explore the new launch pad on testnet, prepare for migration, manage your application, check out validator, discover mainnet app in the Pi ecosystem, create with Pi app studio. So I'm left with 2 to get the badge to claim my Pi day badge. So let me check this. Join the Pi node network. So I'm just trying to get everything clear. Wow, okay. 5 minute blockchain protocol is under upgrade. Every minute node more. Okay. I think I've passed. I think I've passed the page. Okay, it's marked already. So left the right last one. Read the Pi day block. So let me check on it. Then from there I can clean my Pi day. So sorry I couldn't make this right from the beginning. So sorry. Network. Okay, just echo releases support. So for the benefit of this Pi day, I don't know the benefits, but I'm just trying to earn the badge. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Okay. All right. Let me hold it down to my Pi browser and see. Maybe it has been marked already. Good. Let me now claim your Pi day badge. Let me claim. Congratulations, you have completed the Pi 2026 utility challenge. Unlock a special Pi day badge in Pi chats and profile. So now, so this is how I I claim my Pi day badge. So to steal my badge, I have to head down to my profile on the Pi browser. So let me see. Let me run start Pi browser. Pi browser. You can see my badge is there. Okay, it's loading. So let me show my profile. It's loading. My Pi day 7 friends. So you can see M badge Pi day 2026. I earn it. So let me on my arrow. So I already earned my Pi browser badge. So see it here. So I already earned my Pi browser badge. So if you have any further question, please feel free to drop your comments. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.